presenting a pre-owned 2016 Volvo. This four-door wagon has a 5-cylinder, 2.5-liter i5 engine with all-wheel drive and a 6-speed shiftable O transmission. This Volvo has less than 67,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, keyless entry, and leather seats. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.